So the last 2 days we built and deployed a web app using NextJS, we deployed it on Vercel, we used a Postgres database, interfaced it with Prisma, and we connected Clerk for authentication. Today let's set up an email sending service so that we can send emails for our web app. I'm using Resend today, but there's others like Amazon Simple Email Service, there's MailChimp, there's SendGrid, they're all pretty much the same. Once you sign up with Resend, you'll see the onboarding flow and you can add an API key right here and it automatically populates some sample code. We can send an email and we'll check our email and we send our first email. So that's all fine, but let's add a domain name. So once I add my domain name, it's going to prompt me to add some DNS records to my domain name. If you have things like G Suite set up for your domain, this isn't going to conflict because this has a priority of 10. And this is basically going to allow us to send emails from the same domain name, and G Suite's still going to receive our emails. So let's add these records because this is going to take some time to verify. For Namecheap, you're going to select Custom MX. So now we're just waiting for the records to propagate. While we wait for that, let's go to API keys and we'll clear out some of the onboarding API keys. We don't need those. Let's create a new API key and we'll just name this prod. Let's limit the permissions to sending access, and for domains we'll just keep all. We'll copy our API key and store it someplace safe. Then let's open our app that we've been working on. Right now I've told Cursor to integrate with Resend, the email sending service, and I've already added the API key to the .env file. Looks like it's going to install Resend. It's going to create an email confirmation template and update the waitlist API to send confirmation emails, then create an email utility function and test the email sending service. While we wait for that, let's go to Vercel and add these environment variables. We'll go to Vercel, go to our app, go to settings, then to environment variables, and paste in our environment variables, and click save. Looks like Cursor's done, so let's test out the app. npm run dev, put in a new email. Cool, just got an email. And here's how it looks. So if your domain name is not verified, then it's going to fail to send under the email that you're providing as the send email. But let's go back to Resend and see if our email is verified. And it is. Let's just push to production and see if it works in prod. We'll go back to Vercel and we have a deployment going out and our app is ready. We'll go to the app, put in our email, and we got the email. And there it is right there. Sweet, so that's everything that you need to send emails in your web app. Let me know what I should add next, and if you got value out of this video, then do me a favor and send this to one of your tech friends. That would really help me out. I'm posting every day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.